Hello and welcome back. Today I am super excited to show you this. I know I say I'm excited to make this video on lots of my videos, but I genuinely am really excited about new coins and things. So this arrived today, not the day that I'm uploading this. This arrived today, which is Thursday evening, which I ordered through the Royal Mint. But at least I think that's what this is. I have no idea, but I don't think I've ordered anything else. Well, you've seen in the thumbnail, so I don't know what I'm teasing you about. It should be silver-proof Peter Rabbit, which is what it looks like. Now, let's rewind. Was it last week, week before? I can't remember. I got on my pedestal a bit about the Stephen Hawking silver-proof, not being able to get it from the Royal Mint, which I was a bit upset about, which I know I'm not the only one. But this one, so I'll paint the picture. What did it come out? Tuesday. It came out, well, the first minute of Tuesday, so I stayed up till midnight on the Monday. I had my laptop, I had my tablet, and I had my phone all on the Royal Mint website, ready for it to tick over to midnight and get in the queue. My laptop had a 2-hour wait, my tablet had a 15-minute wait, and my phone had a 3-minute wait. So I got in there, bought it, thought yes, don't have to worry about that. Logged on Tuesday, late in the afternoon, just to see how many were left, and they still had some in stock. So, what a bonehead. Anyway, I'm practically got enough. Let's have a look. What a cool little box that's in there. What does that say? I can't read it. Generations are delighted in sharing Peter Rabbit's adventures as he helps his family and friends out with Mr. McGregor and the lovable rogues in the little tales. So I believe that this isn't going to be circulated, which I'm kind of gutted about. I know we've had lots of Beatrix Potter coins, but I do like finding them, even if we do get bored of them a bit. But how cool is that? Let's get a closer look. Very cool. 2019. That's still really weird to see on coins, if I'm honest. I haven't got my head around that. Oh, that's a bit loose. What's going on? Oh, it's just magnets. I've never got one out of its little Perspex box. Not going to get out of this because I don't have any gloves. Very neat. And I must say, I am warming very quickly to the colour on the silver proofs. I know the Gruffalo was the first one I ever bought, and it had colour on it, and I was a bit, I don't know, wasn't a massive fan of it to begin with, but I do really like it. It's growing on me. What number we got? So I think it's 30,000 of these, 15,500, so maybe about halfway. So what details have we got here? 50p, UK, blah 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 blah. 35,000 of them. Very cool. Another bit of bump. You can pause if you really want to read that. Cool little hologram, like everything else. And we've got something else in here. What's this? It's going to talk about Peter Rabbit, I would imagine. That's quite neat. That's 2018 design. I do like that. I think that might be my favourite Peter Rabbit, the 2018 Peter Rabbit. Very neat. But who's gonna be on the rest of them? I don't know. Oh, that's a cute picture. Why didn't they have that as their design? Very cool. So, whilst I'm making this video also, I will let you know, I know I said in yesterday's 10p hunt, I've booked my next trip to the Royal Mint to do the tour to get the Strike Your Own. I am booked on Easter Sunday, so I know a lot of you probably have plans and you're probably not going to be able to make it. But if you're in the area, if you're planning to go to the Royal Mint, feel free to come and say hi to myself, and Patrick's coming with me again this time. So we're getting there for 1 o'clock for the 2 o'clock tour. So like I said, if you're in the area, come and say hi. But that is very cool. I just hope you're not the new Strike Your Own. Although it's very cool. I want a Kew Gardens Strike Your Own. I think many people do. But let me know in the comments. Did you get a silver Peter Rabbit? Did you have a nightmare in the queue like I had with the Stephen Hawking? Did you get the bunk pack? My plan is when I'm at the Royal Mint, if they've got any there, I'm going to stock up on the bunk packs that I haven't bought at the Royal Mint website. I don't know if maybe I'll start buying them when I buy the actual silver proofs, but I don't know. I think sometimes with that website, if you manage to put one of these in your shopping basket, it's not worth the risk of trying to put something else in there sometimes. But they're learning. Hopefully they're getting better, learning from the mistakes they've had, the problems they've had in the past maybe. So a little bit happy with the Royal Mint now. Although if it's not circulated, I'll be very disappointed. Why do they keep making them for not circulation? We're coin hunters. We want to find them in our change. We don't want to have to buy them all. But anyway, I'm prattling on now. So I guess all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this little bonus video, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.